right. Hello. It's 8 o'clock in the morning and we are packing up on our trip to Nusa Penida. So we're gonna have 2 dives, Manta Point and most probably special trip. We will check out that. When we're doing 1-day trips, then it's always from the Padang Bay. That's the shortest distance to Nusa Penida. We can do some like boat trips, also speedboat trips from Ahmed, but that's actually too expensive because the distance is way longer. Yes, the boat is really fast, 4 engines, 200 horsepower, but it's eating a lot of petrol. So that's why always Padang Bay, it's always cheaper to come from Ahmed. So let's say in a way we spend around 1 hour 20 minutes, then we load on a boat and then another hour and we will be at the Manta Point. What is the water temperature today? I have to check. It feels warm. I don't believe it will be below 26 today. Really hope for good visibility and a lot of mantas. But, you know, nature is nature, you never know. So, see you on our way there. happy? Was it good? Yeah?
Super. It was like beautiful, magnificent.
That was your first time you see mantas, right?
Yes, they're huge. Like wow, velvet. Some velvet is flying
Like a blanket,
over me.
right?
Yeah, blanket.
Huge blanket.
Huge blanket. And
So-
the front part. And they,
Yeah.
one was one was so comfortable taking rounds and rounds and giving everybody chance to take picture.
Yeah.
She was very much like, take my picture, I'm okay. Take video,
I'm a
okay."
model.
Yeah, I'm a model.
Yeah, it was very nice. The words I want to use can't go on your YouTube channel.
Yeah.
Sure you can.
And the visibility today, we were really lucky with the visibility.
Amazing, man. Got some epic footage.
Okay. 3, 2, 1, go! Great day diving in Nusa Penida. Really successful dive. Only 2 mantas at the moment. I don't know why it's only 2. amazing visibility, 29 degrees. What else you can what else you want from the dive, right? Usually we sometimes have big groups of mantas, but then there is also bad visibility. Today everything came together. It was super good dive. The second dive we did long drift, or SD, special drift. Not so strong current, pretty easy. Water temperature a little bit lower, 27 degrees. But anyways, that was new experience for Darima, but she managed to get through that. It was also a new experience for Alex, no problem at all. So what else to add? Now back to home, edit, and then you will see it in a couple of days, what have been the result of my edits. Alright, thank you very much for watching. Follow, subscribe, like the video, make us visible, and see you on the next one, as always.